Hi, I'm Dave Crenshaw, physical therapist, yoga therapist, and wellness coach. I want to tell you about a program that I developed for upper body wellness. What tends to happen is we develop neck, shoulder, and upper body issues in our society, and we don't even need to get very old for them to start to develop. And the reason is that we're looking at cell phones and typing, doing things in this forward plane, and pretty soon our body starts to adapt to that and start to move in a different way that's not so healthy for us. Head tends to get forward, the chin tends to get forward, the shoulders rounded, and the upper back rounded. And then when we go to move, we're moving too much in certain places and not enough in others. I want to give you a tip that we learn in the course. It's one of several principles to help to reverse these processes that cause this sort of problem and lead to pain and all kinds of other issues down the road. What do we do about it? So the first principle is how to move when you're coming out of this position, this forward position. So what you don't want to do is to lead with the top of the head first, and then the chin comes up. That's what you don't want to do because it promotes too much mobility in the middle of the neck and not enough in other areas. So to correct that, what you do want to do is to lead with the chin coming backwards as you extend up. And that lets you use more of your spine in the proper place to help prevent these kind of problems. The other thing that you want to keep in mind when you're coming up out of this position is that you don't want to lift the chest first. Because if you lift the chest first, again, there's going to be too much motion. This time the too much motion is going to go to the lower back. And again, it's not going to let you move and extend properly through your spine. So that's an example of one of several principles that you learn in the program. The program is called the Joint Wise Program for Upper Body Wellness for neck, shoulder, and upper back problems that we tend to develop. So it's about what you can do to prevent these problems and to have a future of health and wellness in your upper body. So what you do is you go to movementforwellness.net to learn more about the program. And then when you are at movementforwellness.net, you can see that there's a place to click where you can schedule an appointment with me, a 30-minute session for no charge, and you can decide if it's right for you.